Good morning there. The other day I posted a video on how to set up valuation structures for cost accounting to take your costing down to lower levels like lot, serial, etc. One of the concepts in there was something called key Flexfields. And so what I want to do now, and I didn't cover how that was set up in that video, I'm going to do that in this one. So we're going to set up what are called costing key Flexfields. So to get there, we'll go into setup and maintenance. Again, we'll go to search, and it's going to be costing key Flexfields. Manage costing key Flexfields. Now there's two values in this instance. This is for consignment, and there's really nothing in here. I haven't set up any valuation structures for consignment inventory. But this is the regular value inventory. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. And here you see cost management, valuation unit Flexfield. We have three buttons up here. We're going to go through all three of these buttons. So the first one we're going to go to is manage structures. And I'm just going to do a blanket search here. You can see all the structures that have already been previously set up. So what we're going to do is a structure that goes down to cost org, sub-inventory, lot, and then grade. So here we have grade, here we have lot, but I'm just going to do a lot grade. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and create, and my structure is going to be this funky code here. I'm going to give it a description so that when people look at it, they know what it is. So that's what it is. I'll just use the same. And my delimiter is just going to be a dash in between them. So we have to save this at this point so we can start adding the segments into it. We're going to go ahead and save that. And my first segment is going to be the cost org. So the cost org segment is, we're going to say, let's see, got to get my notes here. Cost underscore organization. And the segment codes have been set up in other places. The name of this is going to be cost organization. Again, just a descriptor. Organization. And then I'm gonna, and you can use different names here and stuff if you wish. It's all how you want to set it up, right? I put 25 spaces in here. Column name is going to be cost org code. And then the default valuation set code, this is a lookup that has to be set up ahead of time as well. And that's what the setup value is. And then I actually want to bring this over here to my labels. And I'm going to save that. Oops. And it's going to be sequence number 1 because I'm going cost org, inventory org, etc. So this is number 1. Save and close that. Here it is. We're going to add a second one, and this is going to be my inventory org. So here it's going to be put on the cap, all caps, inventory underscore organization. If I can spell it properly. Inventory organization. And then here again, we're going to just populate those. And this is going to be sequence number 2. Display width is going to be 25 again. Column name is going to be probably a configured item inventory org. Default contact. This again is that lookup code. So these lookup codes give you all the value, all the valid values that can go in an org code in this case. Save and close that. We're going to go to create a third one. You can see there's a lot of repetition in here. And so this is going to be sub inventory. I hope that's correct. It was. And inventory. And that's sequence number 3, 25. Column name is going to be sub-inventory. We'll pick that out here, sub-inventory code. And then we're going to put in the lookup code. You got to do this for each level because you're building your structure in here. So we have 2 more levels to go. The next level is going to be lot number. So we're going to be descriptive, call it lot. This is number 4. Again, 25. This is lot number. And the lookup code. Save and close, and then we're going to do our last one here. So this is going to be grade. So this is going to be grade DE. Number 5. And this is called grade code. Again, we can do a drop down to find it. There's my grade code. And then we got to put in the lookup code. So we'll save and close that. So here is our structure. It's set up. It's cost, inventory, sub-inventory, lot, and grade. We're going to save and close this. So that's the first. And done here, first of the 3 steps. Now we got to go into manage inventory instances, do a basic search here. And again, it's the same concept here. We've got to set this kind of up again. I'm going to kind of cheat here a little bit. And I want this to be underscore sub inventory lot grade. Sub inventory lot and grade. Lot and grade. And we can copy that here. And then I'm going to pull out the one that I just created on the other side. Let's see. There it is, sub inventory lot and grade. It's going to bring in the values. And we're going to save and close that. And then we have to deploy the flex field. So this is just simply click that button. It's going to go through and deploy them. And then when we go into manage cost profiles and manage item cost profiles, we can find this new valuation structure that takes us down to sub inventory, lot, and grade level. So there you go. That's how you set up the cost key flex fields for inventory valuation structures. Hope this was helpful.